Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on and off Subtitle Netflix application in computer. So how to turn on and off Subtitle Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Now this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial display of the Netflix application. Let's just run the film first. Here search a film. I will run this film. Now here I am already in the film that I am running. Now you can see here that there are subtitles in this film. Here I will turn off or remove the subtitles in this film. The trick is to direct the cursor down, and several icon options will appear. Tap the subtitle icon or the icon that I indicate with the arrow. Now here there is a subtitle menu. To turn off subtitles, tap OFF at the very top. Now here we can see that the subtitles are gone. And then if we want to activate or turn on the subtitles again, the way to do it is to direct the cursor down, and several icon options will appear. Tap the subtitle icon or the icon that I show with the arrow. Well, here there is a subtitle menu. So that's it, the tutorial how to turn on and off Subtitle Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.